upgrade SSD, and deep cleaning on Lenovo 80XK laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Hannah, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading to an SSD and performing a deep cleaning on a laptop is a wise and beneficial decision that significantly enhances performance. Longevity and reliability. An SSD upgrade improves speed, responsiveness, and efficiency, allowing for faster boot times, quicker application loading, and seamless multitasking, making everyday computing smoother and more productive. Meanwhile, deep cleaning ensures the laptop remains cool and dust-free, preventing overheating, improving airflow, and extending the lifespan of internal components over time. Dust buildup inside a laptop can cause thermal throttling, reduce performance, and potential hardware failures, making regular deep cleaning essential for optimal system health. By combining an SSD upgrade with deep cleaning, users can experience a significant performance improvements, enhanced durability, and a quieter, more efficient laptop. This upgrade is especially valuable for older laptops that struggle with slow speeds, overheating, or frequent lag, giving them a new lease on life and ensuring long-term usability. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade and deep cleaning to follow our page. More videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.